Yum, 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 yum. Burr. Oh. Nay. Look at my party horn. I'm a young kitty. With Pancina right beside me. I'm in with Pancina right beside me. I know I'll never be alone. And with my mom and dad, I'd be the greatest kitty girl I can be. While watching all the normal girls and boys playing. And God right beside me.
Start getting dressed, Kendall.
By drawings. Sorry about that. I'm just a normal honey kitty in the most and ignore my mom, please. Bye bye, Funky for the present new people.